Breathing. Look at the diagrams of the human respiratory system in topic 11.1. Find the ribs and the intercostal muscles between them. Find the diaphragm. Remember that air is a gas. The pressure of a gas increases when the volume of its container is decreased. You can find more about pressure in topic 3.6. Pressure in liquids and gases. When you breathe in, these things happen. The intercostal muscles between the ribs contract, get shorter. This pulls the ribs upwards and outwards. The muscles in the diaphragm contract. This pulls the diaphragm downwards. These two movements make more space inside the chest cavity. They increase the volume inside it. When the volume increases, the pressure inside the chest cavity and lungs decreases. Air moves down through the trachea into the lungs to fill the extra space. When you breathe out, these things happen. The intercostal muscles between the ribs relax, return to normal size. This allows the ribs to drop down into their natural position. The muscles in the diaphragm relax. This allows the diaphragm to become its normal domed shape. These two movements make less space inside the chest cavity. They decrease the volume inside it. When the volume decreases, the pressure increases, so air is squeezed out of the lungs.